It says Princess and the Bear here in Germany at Epcot for
Biergarten. Don't forget to subscribe.
And maybe leave us a comment on what you think or where we should go next. But see you soon.
Okay, thank you.
Everyone feels comfortable walking a few steps and stairs inside?
Yes.
Okay. Have you ever dined with us before? Okay. Alright, so we have an all-you-can-to enjoy buffet inside. Soft drinks are included in the price. Only the alcoholic beverages are extra. And we have a table sharing tradition, so you sit next to another party because we celebrate the Oktoberfest inside. And as soon as the page starts buzzing, please come back to the area behind me and we'll see you outside.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome to the German Biergarten. My name is Summer, I'm from Eich, and I will show you your table. One on this side, one on that side, of course. Yeah. How do you understand that we do that? You don't need to do shopping later.
Hello guys, how are you doing?
It's really dark in here.
That's pretty good. The sign looks good.
Vegan split pea soup. It's not bad. Yeah. And an assortment of salad. It's pretty balanced actually.
White beef.
seals, and pastures. Today, however, we use those very same handmade bells to make some beautiful music with. And right now, we're going to bring down our very own Niels as he brings for you a couple of songs, starting with the Schmane Boxer.
All sorts of things. I got some of the pork, some apricot chutney, salmon, the pretzel, bratwurst, a whole potato salad, and then some sliced turkey. And then it's a potato dumpling, which I'm curious about. That's really good. Potato and cheese puffball.
What is that, Gab?
Sliced pork. Red salty. This is fried cutlet. But you got more of the sauce, it's a little dry. That's definitely 4 out of 5. And the salmon, because you know I gotta get fish everywhere. It's a bit dry. It's been sitting there a little while. Standard green bean, but good.
Does it taste like it's cooked in butter?
potato salad. And mayo-y.
Not Garrett. Why not? He wasn't invited. Was he
Plain
invited?
sliced turkey. It's good. Cold. A cold cut. Not bad though. Overall, like most of the stuff on the plate. Do it again. But definitely solid 3.5 out of 5, I'd say.
As a vegan, you need to be careful with the green beans because some places cook them in butter and some places don't. These are pretty good. They're alright. Steamed with a little bit of oil on them instead of butter. And then we have potatoes. Have an interesting little flavor on top of them. It's decent. I like it.
I don't know if you've been able to tell or not, but the bear has been on a health kick lately. So I've been trying to eat more natural, raw foods and a lot more veggies in my diet. I have this issue with beets. I want to like them, but I'm gonna give them another try. I still have horrible memories of my last time trying these. I'm gonna give it a shot. Think about if you mix dirt with vinegar and then tried to eat it. That's about where I'm at right now. That's getting no claws. Ugh.
Folks, welcome to the German Biergarten. We hope everyone here has been having a wonderful time.
So a red berry compote. Like a raspberry, strawberry, and I think cherry mix. It's pretty good. It's almost like a bit of a thicker consistency sherbet. Very good. I don't really like dessert, but like something like this size, for me, it's super perfect. It's rich, but it's delicious. And then because I can't ever resist fresh pineapple. Yes. Now that is magical. Compote, 5 out of 5 claws. Pineapple is always getting 5 out of 5 claws.
You get to the front and say,
please stand up at this time. And then we're going to need everybody else that's still sitting down at your table.
So we just got finished with Biergarten,
Yes.
and I would have to say atmosphere is like an A+. It's
Pretty
amazing in there. It's fun.
Yeah.
But the dance floor is actually a dance floor. They have shows like every 30 minutes to an hour with them playing different instruments.
They project the name of the restaurant onto the dance floor, so
Oh,
it's
is that what
really
that was?
yeah, it's really cool. So like all the kids get to like play in the light, which they love.
I would say the buffet was
Small.
small but above average. The food was decent.
It was
I
good.
would say that it's not a restaurant I would go to if you don't feel comfortable sitting next to people you don't know.
Yeah.
If you want to go and you don't want to sit next to people you do know, or you don't want to sit next to people you don't know, I don't know words. We're having this constant problem with words, me. I would come with a party of 8 people. All tables seat 8. Otherwise, you're going to be sitting next to some stranger you don't know, and everybody we sat with was friendly. I mean, overall, I enjoyed it. That place was fun.
Yeah, I would
And-
go again.
We got beers to go.
Yeah. You can get a liter of beer, and your liter of beer, you got to drink a little bit of it, but then it becomes 2 cups, so you'll be double fisting your drinks
Mind
throughout
you,
Disney.
it's $15 per liter of beer.
$15 for
But
yeah.
it's a good beer. I mean, it's easier
I
than waiting
think
in line
it's
out
worth
here
it.
on World Showcase. So.
Yeah, it's worth it.
Anything else you gotta say?
As far as vegan options go, I feel like there was a good amount. So even if you and they give you a cute little pamphlet, so regardless of what allergy you have, they will absolutely accommodate you. They'll bring the chef out if they need to, like always. So I went in with really low expectations and I came out really satisfied. So
Yeah, I can see why this place has been around for so long.
Yeah.
It doesn't look dated or anything. It's
No.
fun. It's generally fun inside.
Yeah.
So I would say if you have a chance, you want to go do it.
definitely.
I'd give it a solid whole experience. 4 to 5. Plus 4 to 5.
I would agree with that.
Well, till next time.
Bye.
Leave us a comment if you want to see something else, and we'll see you again soon.